video, we will watch how to move sprites in Scratch platform. So let's get started. I will delete this by default sprite which is cat. I'll add a small fish. I'll make this fish move. So how we can do that, let's see. For that, firstly I'll change the backdrop to. I'll just take the backdrop as underwater 1 and now it's looking something nice. Now I want to move this fish in the right direction. So what I will do is I'll go to events, I'll drag and drop when green flag is clicked. I want this fish to move forever. So what I will do is I'll go to control, I'll drag and drop forever. This fish should move small steps. Let's assume it should move 10 steps at a time or whatever you want the number to be. Let us do it to 5. So now whenever I press green flag, you could see fish is moving very fast, right? Now I want to make it move a bit slow. To do that, I'll go to controls, I'll drag and drop, wait 1 second. I'll click on 1, I'll change it to 0.3. Now I'll click on save now. I'll press green flag. You could see fish is moving very slowly. You can increase or decrease the wait block to make it fast or slow. Either also you can just increase or decrease the move steps. So this is what we are doing. Now what if this fish touches the edge? So let's observe what will happen when the fish touches the edge. Oh no, the fish is not coming back. So I want this fish to bounce back. So we'll go to motion, we'll drag and drop. If on edge, bounce. So now whenever it is touching the edge, it's bouncing back. But could you see the fish got inverted? I don't want that. So I'll restrict its motion. So I just set its rotation style to left right. Now it will not invert. So let us test it out. So I will increase its speed so that the fish can move faster. So now let's observe what happens when this fish turns back. Now just notice once it bounced back, it is straight, it's not inverted due to this block called set rotation style to left right. We are restricting its rotation style to left right. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.